That's so free, why not? Right.
Teach you some Valerian words. Dragon seed for you, Thomas. Good luck.
The beast is within. You have common dragon seeds, poured by water proving old blood, speaks within inside you. If you wish to pass, you must speak how riders have once spoken. In the language of old Valyria, older than any throne in Westeros. There are two words you must master. The first is Lakiri. It means calm. Say it. Lakiri.
Lakiri.
Yes. As a command. Lakiri.
Lakiri.
Good. Hold that in your chest. When I raise my staff, say it. Hold. Now.
Lucky!
Be here too. The next word is older. Do not say it lightly. For fire is a card. Say it as a command. Lucaris!
Lucaris!
Good! Follow my lead. You must earn the dragon's respect. And you must stand in front of fire. Again! Lucaris!
Lucaris!
The dragon does not yet respect you. You must command of it your respect. Again!
Yes!
Sometime we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so
You have come here with dragon seeds and earn the respect of fire. Follow the heat, watch awaits.
dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the
Beware!
sea.
It's bold.
You right by my side is such a sweet light. The skin is tired. The skin is tired.
Oh, thanks.
Mouse.
Skin is tired.
Mouse. What's it, mouse? No. Mouse. Dragon Rider Mouse. That is a good name and better than Mouse. Take the egg to your heart, Dragon Rider Mouse. Hold the egg with reverence. Now name your dragon. Lightning. That is a good dragon name. For sure. Lightning now knows your name as Mount, and you know Lightning. Please, approach the edge. There's a plastic egg over there. Press the egg, take it to your heart, and name your dragon. Come. You've gone through the scary bit already. This is not so scary.
Just want to take it, man.
Hold it with reverence.
What you gonna name it? Chapani. There we go.
Feel the light.
I want it luxurious.
Luxurious. Nice.
Do not shake the egg. This is what happens when you shake the egg.
Oh.
Nice and warm, isn't it?
Stars dance
To me, responsibility. These are not words they understand in court, but then we are with toys, playthings for their political gains. So I ask you to think carefully before you tread through to the court. Here is the work of the heart. The court, frivolity of dances, singing, supping, ale and wine, banqueting and feasting. What more? What more do you need of the clutch? Do you sing, listen and banquet? No, well done, sir. Stay with me. The others will go forward. You will stay and take aid with me. Please, take good care on the road ahead after the gentleman here. What's your name, sir? Very right,
Maybe considering the shit of that.
People love sitting in these chairs. You can sit on this chair, you can lie up on that chair, just go drink the bread.
How did it feel to defeat the dragon's fire? Was it treacherous? It was amazing. Wow, what hair it's had. Oh, it's the colour of dragon blood or the colour of fire. You're allowed to help yourself to pass a wine or food. Come on, you don't have to look. You're brave and strong. You have to stay there. and sharper. Try being kind here.